Hello everyone, welcome back to the GlitchSip channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to request a refund on Roblox. This process is very simple. First, log in to your Roblox account. Next, you'll need to contact Roblox support using the official Roblox website. Go to the Contact Information section. Here, you'll enter your account details, including your username, name, email address, and email confirmation. After that, go to Issue Details. Select the device where the problem occurred, such as PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone, or iPad. In this case, we'll choose PC. Now comes the most important part, selecting the Help category. Scroll down and select Purchases using Robux. Then choose the subcategory that matches your issue, whether it's a website item or an in-experience item. Finally, fill out the description very carefully. You can even use ChatGPT to help you write a convincing explanation. The key is to clearly explain the problem so Roblox can refund the item and return your Robux. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to GlitchSip.